every student dreams of a perfect graduation, good grades, a good college, all of this. But a lot of the times, students drown in widespread confusion. Why though? Why don't standardized curricula work for everybody? Meet Howard Gardner. He was the first psychologist to question the concept of there being only one intelligence. One of his most famous quotes: "Well, it's not about how smart you are, it's about how you are smart." They eventually agreed upon 8 different intelligence types: the ability to understand complex meanings, the ability to calculate and quantify, the ability to discriminate between living things, the ability to use a variety of different physical skills, the capacity to discern pitch, tone, rhythm, and timbre, the ability to interact with others, to understand oneself, and to think creatively and in 3 dimensions. But all of this becomes too much for the teaching systems to handle, and eventually, standardized curricula come into play, and individualized learning gets kicked out of the picture, leading to an inequality in educational opportunities. So why is this an issue? The People's Republic of China has one of the most challenging and stressful education systems in the world. But what is really disturbing is the examination process. The most difficult being the Gaokao Pai, literally the college entrance examination. The examination can be taken only once in a student's life and decides their entire future of college and job applications. These examinations lead to stress in students' lives. 1 out of every 3 Chinese students show symptoms of a psychosomatic disorder caused by stress. While there are many reasons for their stress, the majority fall into being worried about their examination. Stress is caused by an increase in levels of cortisol in our body. Cortisol is a stress hormone. It helps our body deal with stress by shutting down unnecessary functions at the time, such as the reproductive and immune system. Stress causes sickness both mentally and physically, some mental symptoms being issues such as anxiety, depression, and trouble concentrating, and physically being stomach problems, muscle tension, and skin irritation. All of this causes students to want to leave their country in hopes of finding a more peaceful education system. As you can see, the number of Chinese students studying abroad quadrupled from 2006 to 2016. That's a 406% increase. Our solution to this pressing issue is to create a learning environment that allows students to study in a more interactive and stress-free habitat. This includes outdoor learning environments to stimulate sensory learning, class gardens to help students get hands-on with nature, and an overall increased holistic approach to learning. The blueprint here includes classes both indoor and outdoor, a sports arena, a garden, a playground, laboratories, and a library. But this idea may not be entirely feasible to implement at a global level at this time, so we can keep it as a long-term vision. For a few short-term solutions, we've listed out a whole bunch of ideas schools can adapt to make classes more engaging for students. Our first proposition is to create an outdoor learning space, or to create a class garden, to let students experiment with nature. Studies show that learning outdoors helps students concentrate and also allows for sensory learning, which helps retain information. Our second idea is to encourage constant field trips to museums, labs, restaurants, anything you can't get on your campus. This encourages a first-hand learning experience that helps develop conceptual understanding better than textbook learning or lecture-based learning can. Our third idea is to reduce lecture and individual learning and increase group discussion. Group learning helps reinforce concepts and skills and make students more confident. It expands their perspective and provides a motivation for them to study. Here are a few ways you can reduce your stress. Exercise is probably one of the best things you can do to reduce stress. Laughing, spending time with family, writing, and drawing are other ways to reduce stress.